Hello, Bodkin here. This is just a quick review of the Mk1 Toyota Aygo. They are very reliable little cars and small. You see they're quite basic. This one's got the air conditioning and it's quite funky, the fan controllers. You have got an auxiliary port if you want to use an MP3 player or plug your phone in. And there's a small glove compartment for bits and bobs. You can get doors for them. This one's a 1 litre 5-door petrol manual Aygo. Miles per gallon, you can get a good 50 miles per gallon if you drive steady in these Aygos. I'll just show you the engine, what there is of it. If you're buying an Aygo, you're better off with the Aygo blue version because you do get a lot better spec than some of the basic ones. Some of them quite poverty spec, not even with central locking, wind down windows. As you can see, the engines are absolutely tiny. Look at the battery, it's like a dinky thing. They are 3-cylinder cars, which helps for the economy. Also, another advantage of the Aygo is a cam chain, not a cam belt, so there's not so much problems with having it changed, and they're not renowned for stretching like other chain driven cars. So also they've got lots of quirks, like just having one windscreen wiper at the front, so that'll save you some money on windscreen wipers. Oh, just to add another point about the Aygo is you'll find, especially when they're starting from cold, they make a ticking noise. This is quite common. There's lots of videos on the internet about this. It's not an issue, but it can be a bit strange when you're first getting used to the car. There's a video by Anton, I think it's 111, who's a trained mechanic who goes into this in great detail, but don't let that put you off buying one. And they are quite fun little cars, to be honest, so I would say to anybody who wants a cheap little economic car, these are ideal. Yeah, just to add to this video, the cars are really economical with the wheel size being so small. The tyres are small, so they're cheap to replace, and also with just £20 a year tax, it's incredible really. And if you buy a facelift Mk1, the tax is free. I mean, if you've got a bit more money, you could buy the new shape Aygo and you get all the toys like built-in sat navs, and they are a little bit better looking, I suppose. But going on to the Mk1 again, is a point I'd like to make. You can get a Peugeot 107 or a Citroen C1. The Peugeot 107, you'll pick up a cheaper car because they're not as popular. Because PSA and Toyota, it was a joint venture in creating this car, so if you want to get a bit more bang for your buck, try a 107. But the only thing I would say is a Toyota will hold more value when you come to sell it. So just a few more things to consider there.